It's hot. It's sticky. And your social feed knows it. Suddenly, you see an ad from BrezzaAC.com showing off a sleek, whisper-quiet, USB-powered device called Brezza AC, promising to cool your personal space in seconds without wrecking your electricity bill. No installation, no noise, no hassle. But is it the real deal, or just another slick summer gimmick? Let's break it down. Brezza AC is marketed as a personal air cooler using evaporative cooling. That means it pulls warm air through a water-soaked filter to produce a chilled breeze. It's built for small areas, desks, nightstands, dorms, RVs, not your entire living room. Keep that in mind. Here's what the site claims. Cools air by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds. Has 3 fan speeds: cool, chill, and freeze. Works as a humidifier and air purifier. USB powered and portable. Ultra quiet, under 25 decibels. Bladeless and safe for kids and pets. Offers 360 degrees air circulation. Pretty impressive on paper. But let's look closer. They push energy savings hard. It runs on low power, about as much as your phone charger, which sounds great. But no Energy Star certification and no detailed specs to back that up. It might save a few bucks, but don't expect miracles. Setup? Super easy. 1. Fill the tank with water. 2. Plug it in. 3. Press a button. Done. No tools. No installers. Just plug and chill. But here's where it gets shady. The exact same product, same design, same functions, is being sold under different names like Chillwell, Coolidge, and Ice Breeze, often for way less. BrezzaAC.com? No real company info. No physical address. Just a support email. And the reviews? Generic. No videos. No photos. No Trustpilot. No Reddit buzz. And the big claim. Cooling air by 20 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 seconds? Come on. That's just not how evaporative coolers work. Especially ones powered by USB. The site says there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but no clear refund process or contact details. If it doesn't work out, returning it might be more frustrating than the heat. So, is Brezza AC a scam? Not exactly. You'll probably get something in the mail. But will it match the hype? Doubt it. If you're in a dry climate and just want a personal breeze near your face, it might help a little, but it's not going to replace your AC. And BrezzaAC.com? It feels like a rebranded dropshipping site with bold marketing and not much backing it up. Here's what you should do before buying. Search for independent reviews. Pay with PayPal or a credit card. Don't believe the only 6 left. Countdown. And look up the domain's age and background. Final word. Brezza AC isn't useless, but it's not the miracle cooler the ad makes it out to be. Tried it yourself? Drop a comment and let others know. And if this helped you avoid a hot mistake, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's about to click buy now on another breakthrough mini AC. Stay cool. Stay smart. Stay skeptical.